What is cracking, everybody? Today is, what is today? Today is Tuesday, 30th of March. 31st is tomorrow. Yeah, in the field tomorrow, hopefully, if it doesn't rain. And then we got April Fool's Day. Maybe we should do an April Fool's Day workout. Where I write all kinds of crazy stuff. I'm like, April Fool's. Anyway, no. Today, of course, we got another killer Tabata workout for a Tuesday. A lot of upper body and arms today, because that's what we like to do. 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest. 3 rounds, 12 exercises, 6 minutes each, 18 minutes of work total, and you could be done for the day. You could just be like, done. Anyway, sun, you see it, blazing today. It's hot, it's humid. I'm already sweating a little bit already just from sitting out here, so that's what happens. Anyway, what do I got? Boom. Jump rope. Boom. Bench. Heavy dumbbells. I got 40s, I got 25s, and I even got 15s. I got three styles, 3 weights to choose from, because we're gonna do some bench pressing, skull crush, core stuff, curls, like I said, mostly all upper, arms, chest. That's what we're doing today. So, should we get started? I think we shall. Is it the 30th? It is. Gotta open it up and get it ready. What's going on here? Where is it? There it is. Up. Tabata timer is ready. And here we go. There's Chichi Boys in the background chilling. First thing we got is jump rope, speed jump rope. So go fast right here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and go. You don't need to see my feet. You just need to know that we're jumping. We're jumping fast. Whip that rope around quick. You're just coming like an inch, maybe 2 inches tops off the ground. And you're just whipping that jump rope around. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. Boom. Next thing we got, dumbbell bench press, neutral grip. So we take the 40s, slid down right here. Neutral grip is like this, and we're gonna straight up. Boom. And boom. And boom. All the way down, touch the chest, touch the shoulder. Press. Get rid of one of those. And skull crushers. So grab that, go back, put it up. You're just gonna bring it to your head, up. Bring it to your skull or your face, wherever you want, right here. Just bring it down and push it back. Down, down, down. All right, what's next? Dumbbell core on the bench. I think we're gonna take a 25 from this. So what we're doing is we're laying back. Arms are gonna go straight up like this. And we're gonna go side to side. It's almost like a Russian twist, except we're up in the air. So keep your legs straight. And then keep your legs tight. Hold yourself down. Bring it. Bring it. Bring it. Woo. That's pretty tough, actually. Bench hops. So this is where we're going to go on the bench right here. Watch it. And we're going to hop over, hop back. Over, just like that. Bring your knees as close to your chest as you can to get that good hop. Hop, hop. All the way over. There you go. Dumbbell hammer curls. Take those 25s right here. Get right in front of the camera so you can see the motion. Hammer curl. All the way up, touch the shoulder. Boom. 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 Oh, yeah. Right there. What's next? Overhead tricep. Grab a 40. Overhead right here. So we're going up and over for the triceps right here. See that? All the way down, up, down. We're gonna let it extend and then go back up. So let that weight pull it down. One more. Oh, yeah. Dumbbell sit-ups. Stick with that 40 over here. Go back. And come up. 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 You can either go way up like that, or just bring it up straight in front of you. Squeeze the core. That's the important thing. Squeeze the core. Back to the jump ropes. Speed. Don't forget, speed right here. So, boom. Quick, quick, quick. You want to go in a circle? Okay. Let's do a little circle. Yeah. That's called the jump rope circle spin. Go backwards. Up. Time's up. No time to go backwards. Dumbbell. Seated. Oh, on the edge. 40. We're sitting right here on the edge. And we're going to go up, down, up, up. So right between your legs right here. Bring it up. Straight up. Core tight. This is actually pretty heavy. Pretty heavy. Dumbbell triceps. While you're laying down right here, watch this. So you're down, and you're gonna go down here. Up, down, up, down. Triceps, you can go back behind you if you want. There you go. All triceps right here. Oh, so nice. Dumbbell, hollow holds. So I got these 15s here. So you can go low. Remember, it's the last thing, so we got extra time for you. So put these weights behind you. It's gonna start pulling you. Keep it up. Keep your shoulders up off the ground. Legs up. Hold it. Hold it. Come on, we're going a couple more seconds right here. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Love it. That was good. Remember, that's one round. Take a break, get some water. Why am I so bright? I don't know. Whatever. Take a break, get some water. Get back into it again. That's all I can say. You got to get back at it. The sun is like right there. And it's blocking here. Good thing I got the cage out of here to block a little bit of it. But anyway, shred and grind it on a Tuesday. Get your arms shredded, abs, chest. I mean, you could squeeze it right there. You want to do some extra squeezes? What they call like vacuums? So like where you go deep breath in and then suck it out. Hold, hold. Get a quick couple seconds here. Squeeze and hold. See, easy. Anyway, that's what we got today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, turn post notifications on. Get with it. Shred and grind. Tabata style. I am Neil, the grinding wheel. Peace out.